Morning guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a really quick video. I'm going to try and do it in one clip all together. We'll see how that goes. This is hanging a mirror. It's a very heavy mirror in the bathroom. And you have to hang it from 2 points because of the weight of it. So what I did is I measured the overall dimension of the mirror, the distance from there to there. Okay, I'm not going to give you the actual distances because yours will be different, it doesn't matter. Okay, I dropped a plumb. This is a plumb. I dropped a plumb from there, that light, down to there, the faucet, just to see how things are centered, because who knows, the guy who put the hole in the wall for the light, or the guy that put in the drilled the holes in the quartzite for the faucet, who knows if they're right or not. Anyway, I got those dimensions. I found a center line. Okay, I measured the width of this quartzite because I think that's the most important thing I have to square off the mirror to. Not the faucet, not the light. I think it has to be squared off to the faucet. That's my choice. So I took and marked center point. I marked down from where I want the top of the mirror to where those two holders are on the back. So I marked that distance right there. Okay, so I've got that. Mark that down. Ooh, let me focus a little more. It's not really showing up my pencil marks very well, but there are pencil marks. So now I divided the distance of those two hangers by 2, and I marked here and here. I used a level. Here's my level, and I put the level on top of another level just so I could draw a line, because this one's longer. So I drew a line. There's my line there and there. Then I took that dimension that I divided in half and measured out that way, and it's dead level. So that should be right there and right there where I drill my holes, and I put my anchors in, and then I just flip the mirror up there, and we'll see how it works. Anyway, any questions, post some questions. Happy to answer questions. These anchors are self-tapping. See that little sharp end? I'm just going to use my impact driver to run those in there. And don't over tighten them, because an impact driver is got a lot of torque, a lot of power. And then we put these other little hanger screws. Oh, they're over here. Those go inside the anchors, and then you just hang the little loops over those. So I need 2 hands. Let's give it a try. Okay, one more clip. And what I had to do, and this is important, take some blue tape around where those hooks are. It's like that, remember? It's a hook like that. And tape them so that they're pointed out, so that there'll be a little lip to catch on the screw anchor. All right? If you let them lay flat, or if you let them flop down, you're gonna have a heck of a time hooking it. But if you just take some blue tape and make a little prop kind of thing so that they angle out at about like a 45 or 60 degree angle, then you'll be able to hook it down on there. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. That's within 2/10 of a degree level. That's pretty good. Froggy out. Bye-bye.